In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a green screen in Shotcut. We'll start with a simple setup. A green screen clip on a track above a background clip. The aim is to remove the green so your subject blends naturally with whatever is underneath. The trick is choosing the right filter and dialing it in carefully so the result looks clean and professional. First, click the green screen clip in your timeline to make sure it's selected. You should see it highlighted, and the green background will be visible in the preview window. With that clip active, open the Filters panel, click the plus icon to add a filter, search for Chroma Key Advanced, and apply it to the clip. This is your main keying tool. You'll see controls labeled red delta, green delta, and blue delta. These control how wide a range of color gets removed around the green. Start slowly. Increase the values a little at a time while watching the preview. Your goal is to eliminate the green while keeping your subject's edges crisp and natural. If your lighting is uneven or the shade of green changes across the frame, it's normal to push the green delta slightly higher, then use red and blue to fine-tune the result. Keep an eye on areas like hair, fingers, or soft fabric. Pushing the values too far can make edges look thin, crunchy, or semi-transparent. If you still notice light green spill or tiny patches that weren't fully removed, add a gentle cleanup pass. Click the plus icon again and choose Chroma Key Simple. Use small adjustments here. This filter works best as a finishing touch after the advanced pass. Play the clip to see how it looks in motion, not just on a single frame. Subtle tweaks are better than big jumps, so your subject stays natural and detailed. Now scrub through your timeline and check different parts of the clip, especially brighter sections and transitions, because those can reveal issues you might miss at first glance. If you spot flickering edges or little holes appearing and disappearing, slightly back off the settings on either filter until the edges look stable. It's better to preserve detail and accept a tiny hint of green that won't be noticeable over your background than to overkey and lose important texture. And that's it. Use Chroma Key Advanced for the main removal, then Chroma Key Simple for a light cleanup, and your green screen clip should blend smoothly over any background. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.